Everybody loves weddings, and who knows more about weddings than I do? Hello, I'm Susan Lucci, and as the one and only Erica Kane, I am all my children's most frequent bride. Erica's full name alone tells the story, and frankly, even I have trouble remembering it. Let's see. Erica Kane, Martin Brent, Cudahy, Chandler, Roy, Montgomery, Chandler, Marek. Now that's a trip down memory lane. And it's a trip that millions of soap opera viewers can share with me for the first time now that ABC Daytime is opening its wedding album to release 3 very special video cassettes, The Greatest Weddings of All My Children, General Hospital, and One Life to Live. Over 40 million women and lots of men watch their favorite soap operas, such as All My Children, every week. That makes soap operas a billion-dollar business. Now, for the first time ever, home video retailers can also profit from the passion that over 40 million women and lots of men have for their favorite soap operas. Coming on September 15th, the biggest new idea in home video. Introducing ABC Daytime Home Video. Exclusive from the studios of ABC comes the home video premiere of a new series of videos reliving the greatest moments in the history of soap operas. The most memorable moments from All My Children, General Hospital, and One Life to Live. 3 names known to virtually every woman in the United States. 30 years of television history, programs that have never been seen in reruns, most of which aired before fans were even taping their favorite shows. And for the premiere of the ABC Daytime Home Video line, ABC has gone back to the most cherished events in soap opera history, the greatest weddings. From a treasure trove of past episodes, ABC presents its first release, Daytime's Greatest Weddings.
This feels like forever. I knew from the start.
I, Erica, take you, Tom, to be my husband.
What God has joined, man must not divide.
Be my lover.
And I love you so much.
Never part.
It is borrowed, old, and blue.
How I feel about that? No, making love till we're married.
Well, I can't wait till I can.
Phyllis, I'm gonna get married.
This is the happiest day of my life. I do. Will you marry me?
Yes, I will marry you.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
This is the part I really like the best.
I'm gonna prove you're wrong, and I am gonna become Tad's wife today. This is the last thing I have.
Come on, let's go.
Wait, Adam, you haven't even kissed me.
Later, all the kisses in the world.
And I can't wait to be your wife again.
I never stopped loving you.
Marry me, Donna.
Gonna have to marry somebody someday.
All right, Mama, where are you?
Oh, no. I'm too nervous. My dress is too tight. I can't breathe. I'm hyperventilating.
Stop it this minute, you understand?
Celebrate this day. Precious memories that
Adam, I don't know what to say.
Say yes. Just say yes.
Adam.
Say yes, you'll marry me.
Including the most famous moment in the history of soap opera weddings, the wedding of Luke and Laura on General Hospital, which froze 30 million people in front of their TV sets on a single afternoon. 3 soap opera wedding tapes, All My Children, General Hospital, One Life to Live. Each has a very affordable price of only $14.98, which makes it a great gift, and collecting the entire series a must for all soap opera fans. There's no TV viewer more loyal than a soap opera fan. Over half of ABC's audience watch their favorite soap operas 4 or 5 days a week, and 3 out of 4 have been fans for 5 years or more. That's passion. Consider these facts. Over 30 million fans tune into All My Children, General Hospital, and One Life to Live every month. If those were movies, they would each gross over $100 million at the box office. And indeed, the women who are ABC Daytime soap opera fans have helped create some of the biggest hits in home video history. According to ABC research, the all-time favorite movies of soap opera viewers are Ghost, Pretty Woman, and Dirty Dancing. The heart of the audience is America's premier shoppers. 2/3 of the women watching ABC Daytime are between the ages of 18 and 49. Nearly half are employed, and half have kids, lots of them under the age of 6, which means these women are used to buying and renting tapes. The premiere of the ABC Daytime Home Video line will be the video event of 1993. ABC Video has teamed up with Lysol cleaning products to make these tapes a surefire success for you. Here's how it works.
The makers of Lysol will refund your customer $3 on the purchase of any copy of Daytime's Greatest Weddings with 2 proofs of purchase from either Lysol Deodorizing Cleaner, Lysol Pine Action, or Lysol Direct Multi-Purpose Cleaner, and a proof of purchase from the video. With proofs of purchase from 3 Lysol products, the customer will receive a rebate of $5. Each cassette will include coupons worth over $5 on the purchase of products from the makers of Lysol. With the rebate, your customers can own a tape for as little as $9.98. Advertising for this special offer will be featured in a national television advertising campaign that will run for 2 weeks in October and create millions of impressions targeted directly to your customer. Also, a freestanding insert will appear in over 45 million newspapers to promote the videos and the Lysol Cleaners rebate offer.
This all adds up to a multi-million-dollar advertising campaign that your customer can't miss. ABC will guarantee the success of these videos with a marketing plan designed to make all 40 million soap opera fans aware of these home video treasures. Daytime's Greatest Weddings will be launched by ABC with network and spot TV advertising. This will include a national television campaign with spots appearing on ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, A&E, and Lifetime, making millions of impressions. Radio advertising and contests on over 300 stations nationwide. ABC will be running 4-page inserts in trade publications such as Video Business and Supermarket News. There will also be a consumer campaign with ads in National Enquirer, Soap Opera Digest, Soap Opera Magazine, and ABC's Episodes Magazine, pinpointing over 20 million of your customers, so be prepared. Plus, ABC will put its powerful PR machine to work on the ABC Home Video line with photos and press releases going to newspapers, entertainment magazines, and major women's magazines across the country. As if that weren't enough, ABC soap opera stars will appear on local and national talk shows as well as in malls across the country to talk about the videos. ABC Video will make your sales easy by providing you with point-of-purchase materials to move Daytime's Greatest Wedding videos off your floor, including 12 and 24-pack countertop displays and a 48-piece floor display. Order by August 24th and have the first Daytime Home Videos, Daytime's Greatest Weddings, on your shelves to sell by September 15th.